Welcome to Sarasat Samutsaran School. This is Science M-3.
Hello everyone! Good day students! Hope you're all doing good today. Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Carla Circulado and I will be teaching the subject. So I hope you are ready. If you are, bring out your notebook, bring out your pen and your books, and let's begin.
Now let's begin our lesson by reading our vocabulary words. So please listen carefully as I read each word twice, then you can repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay, now let's begin. Coal, coal. Good job. Exhaust, exhaust. Good job. Fossil, fossil. Good job. Poisonous, poisonous. Good job. Ozone, ozone. Good job. Ultraviolet, ultraviolet. Good job. Acid rain, acid rain. Good job. Oxides, oxides. Good job. Smog, smog. Good job. Now let's do our dictation. Okay, so let's move on to our topic for today. But before that, I have prepared few questions for you. Number 1 question, what is air pollution? And number 2 question, what are the 2 major causes of air pollution? We will answer these questions on our topic for today. So, you need to listen and take notes and highlight some words from your book. Get your books and open it on page 32. On our topic, air pollution. Okay, so if you are ready, let's begin. Air pollution. Okay, when we put harmful chemicals or gases into the air, we are making air pollution. Everybody repeat after me. Air pollution. Very good. Again, harmful chemicals. Very good. Okay, so it says that when we put harmful chemicals or gases into our air, we are causing or making air pollution. Okay, so when we produce gases from our cars, it is making air pollution. Same with the factories. When they are producing harmful chemicals, they are making air pollution. Okay, now let's move on to the 2 major causes of air pollution. There are 2 causes, okay? 2 major. The first one, burning fossil fuels. Everybody repeat after me. Burning fossil fuels. Very good. And the second one, CFCS. Very good. So burning fossil fuels is we burn gases or fossils to make use of that, okay? CFCS is what we put in some of our appliances. We will talk about it more on our succeeding slides. Okay, let's first answer the two questions from the beginning. The first question is, what is air pollution? Very good. When we put harmful chemicals or gases into the air, that is air pollution. The second question, what are the two major causes of air pollution? Very good. First, burning fossil fuels and CFCS. Very good, everybody. So before we move on to the next slide, I have two questions for you again. The first question, what are fossil fuels? And the second question, what happened in 1952? So please listen so we can answer these questions. Everybody repeat after me. Burning fossil fuels. Very good. So fossil fuels are oil, coal, and natural gas. Okay, fossil fuels are oil, coal, and natural gas. Okay, so we use the coal to power machines, okay, and also vehicle like trains. We also use the coal for cooking or barbecue, okay, and oil. We also use this oil for vehicles also and other materials, okay, and the natural gas we also use for cooking, okay, and many more. Okay, these are fossil fuels. Okay, again, what are the fossil fuels? Very good. So fossil fuels are oil, coal, and natural gas. Okay, next, we burn them to create energy that we can use. So by burning the fossil fuels, we create energy. For example, for this one, we are using the natural gas. We are burning the natural gas so we can create fire. Okay, so we can cook. And this one, we are burning a coal. Okay, so putting the coal inside this heat, we are running the train. Okay, because we are creating energy. Okay, so again, what happens when we burn these fossil fuels? Very good. We create energy. Good job, everybody. Okay, next. Burning fossil fuels creates sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and carbon dioxide, and many more. Okay, so when we burn these fossil fuels, we create these chemicals, okay? Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, and many more chemicals. Okay, now let's see. Okay, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can make smog. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Smog. Very good. So when we burn the fossil fuels, there are chemicals that being produced. Okay, one of them is the sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen oxides. So these two chemicals, they can create the smog, as you can see in the picture. Okay, this is the smog. Okay, it looks blurry, smoky, and foggy. That is the smog. Okay, so in 1952, killer smog hung over London for 5 days and killed 4,000 people. Okay, so it's very dangerous for our health as well. Like in London, the killer smog, they hung over for 5 days and killed 4,000 people. Okay, so what happened again in London in 1952? Very good. It hung over London for 5 days and killed 4,000 people. So let's see the first question. What are fossil fuels again? Very good. They are oil, coal, and natural gas. And what happened in 1952? Very good. So in 1952, the killer smog hung over London for 5 days and killed 4,000 people. Okay, very dangerous. So before we move on to the next slides, these questions need to be answered later on. First one, how is an acid rain formed? And the next question, where do we use fossil fuels? Okay, please listen so we can answer this later on. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can get into the clouds. When the clouds become heavy with water, they drop acid rain. Okay, so when we burn these fossil fuels, it produces chemicals, right? One of them is the sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen oxides. So, these two can reach up in the sky. Okay, can get reached to the clouds. And when they are mixed with the other chemicals like the water and air, they can create acid rain. Okay, they will go to the clouds, and together with the water and air, the clouds will be heavy, causing it to drop the acid rain. Okay, again, what sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can make? That's right, acid rain. Okay, let's read the paragraph. Fossil fuels power our cars, trucks, buses, and airplanes. Okay, so fossil fuels that we burn can create energy that we use for our cars, for trucks, some buses, and also airplanes. Okay, they use fossil fuels to make it work. Okay, for the truck, fossil fuels make it run. Okay, fossil fuel can make the airplane go fly. Okay, same with the bus. They go running because of the fossil fuels. But exhaust from these vehicles is a serious kind of air pollution. Okay, so these vehicles, they produce or exhaust pollution. Okay, it says it is a serious kind of pollution because the fossil fuels have harmful chemicals. Okay, so these vehicles produce or exhaust that, and it contributes with the air pollution. So again, what are some vehicles that can be powered by fossil fuels? What are some vehicles that can be powered by fossil fuels? Very good. Cars, trucks, buses, and airplanes, okay, can be powered by fossil fuels. Okay, let's answer the question. How is an acid rain formed? Very good. When sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released, they mix with other chemicals like water and air, and they will drop as a acid rain. Good job. The second question, where do we use fossil fuels? Very good. We can use the fossil fuels to power cars, trucks, buses, and airplanes. Good job. Now, before we move on to the next slide, I have another question for you. What are some effects of cars' exhaust? Okay? What are the effects of this? Okay, exhaustion from the car. Now, let's see the answers here. Listen carefully. Okay, so car exhaust contains carbon monoxide that can cause lung cancer and other diseases. Okay, so the exhaustion from the car can cause lung cancer. Okay, and this exhaust contains carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide can cause lung cancer. Okay, so this is an example of a lung with cancer. Okay, it has tumor in the lungs. So the exhaust from the car is very dangerous. It can make us sick. Okay, it can develop into lung cancer or other diseases. Next, exhaust from the car also contains carbon dioxide. Okay, is a greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere. Okay, so we already know that too much carbon dioxide can trap the heat inside the earth. It's making the earth very, very hot. Okay, and that is a greenhouse gas that's coming from the exhaust of the car. Again, what are some what car exhaust contains? Very good. It contains carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Very good. Now let's answer the question. What are some effects of cars' exhaust? Very good. So some effect, the first one is carbon monoxide. It can cause lung cancer. The other one, carbon dioxide, it contributes with the greenhouse effect because carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Okay, as you can see in this short clip, the exhaustion from this car can cause damage to our health. Okay? So before we move on again to the next slide, let's have the questions first. What does CFCS stand for? And the second question, what is ultraviolet or UV rays? Let's see the answers on our topic now. Okay, number 2, CFCS. Another cause of air pollution is CFCS. What is CFCS? CFCS are chlorofluorocarbons. Everybody repeat after me. Chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons. Very good. So it is the gases that we use in refrigerators, air conditioners, and aerosol spray cans. Okay? So the CFCs, or the chlorofluorocarbons, is the gases inside these spray cans. Also, we use CFCs to make the air conditioner cold. Same with the refrigerator. It contains CFCs. Okay? These CFCs, or the chlorofluorocarbons, contribute to air pollution. Okay? So it's bad for our environment because it causes air pollution. So again, what is CFCs stand for? Very good. Chlorofluorocarbons. Okay. Also, CFCs destroy another gas. That is the ozone. Again, everybody, ozone. Very good. So, ozone is a layer of atmosphere on Earth. Okay? The CFCs destroying the ozone. Okay? So, ozone protects the Earth from ultraviolet or UV rays. Everybody repeat after me. Ultraviolet. Very good. So, the ozone is in the layer of atmosphere. Then CFCs is destroying. Can you see the hole, the violet hole here? Okay, that is CFCs destroying the ozone layer. If it has a hole, or if it destroyed the ozone, the UV rays or the ultraviolet rays can penetrate inside the Earth. Okay, so no ozone layer can protect us because it's already destroyed. It already has a hole. Okay, so where does ultraviolet came from? We will discuss that later. But again, what is the another gas that is destroying by CFCs? Very good. It's called ozone. Okay, the gas that being destroyed by CFCs is called ozone. Okay. Next. So UV rays come from the sun. So the UV rays are the violet arrows. Okay, they are coming from the sun. If UV rays damage plants and cause skin cancer in humans, because this is the Earth, right? This is the atmosphere. Okay, so we have the troposphere, and the next one is the ozone. Ozone is protecting us from the UV rays. You can see it's blocking its way going down to Earth. But if the ozone layer is destroyed, UV rays can go directly to Earth. Okay, and it says that UV rays can damage plants, and also for us humans, it can cause us skin cancer. Okay, it can kill the plants, and it can also cause us skin cancer. So it's very dangerous. So again, what are some damage that can caused by UV rays or ultraviolet rays? Very good. It can damage plants and cause us skin cancer. Good job. Okay, now let's answer the question. What does CFCs stand for? Very good. Chlorofluorocarbons. The second question, what is ultraviolet or UV rays? Very good. It comes from the sun and damages plants and humans. Very good, everybody. So we have our summary for this topic. I have prepared question. The first one, what is air pollution? Very good. When we put harmful chemicals or gases into the air. The next summary question, what are the two major causes of air pollution? Good job. Burning fossil fuels and CFCs. Okay, so the next summary question, what do we use to power our car, buses, trains, and airplanes? Very good. Fossil fuels. What is CFCs stand for? Very good. Chlorofluorocarbons. And the last summary question, what is CFCs doing to our ozone? Very good. CFCs destroys our ozone layer.
Good job, everyone! Thank you so much for listening and paying attention to our subject for today. Hope you all learned a very important lesson on our topic. Don't forget to watch the next video for your safety. Goodbye!
Thank you, students. Thank you, students. And just a reminder, don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy, because we will see you soon. Good job, everybody. Goodbye.